Hi, I am Jasa Wickers. Sorry if my screencast-o-matic is very slow or delayed. I don't know what's going on. But okay, this is my low-tech assistive technology. The three things I would use in my classroom. Starting number one is slant boards. Students with fine motor and visual disabilities. This is very helpful for them because if they are writing on a slanted surface, then they will better be able to see their work and exactly what they're writing, and it will just help with their hand placement as well. And then number three is visual schedules. So using a visual schedule for students with autism or ADHD has them remember their routine. That way they know what is coming next. So if there's something out of routine like a field trip, you can put that on their schedule and tell them in advance. That way they know what's happening next. And so that way there's no behavior. And then the last one is different sized pencils. So students that have fine motor disabilities, using like bigger, you can't really tell in the picture, but like thicker pencils than a normal size pencil, that helps them a lot with their handwriting. You can also use pencil grippers. That is another thing that will help with writing.